On now is oil pressure switch. Some type of push, and then the connector is there. So this is the old oil pressure sensor. This is the new one.
A few moments later.
Let's see what Pro Builds is doing.
So, guys, don't buy cheap shit. I bought these cheap cats for 130 bucks. Guess what? The bolts are stripped. So I'm having to cut it off with the cutoff wheel with the angle grinder. Just finished chopping them off, taking off the welds because they're welded on. Now I have to insert these bolts. What a hot mess for no reason. So, guys, don't go cheap. Pay $600 per cat when you do this. Pay $600. It's worth it.
Okay, I'm just scared, you know? Like, how tight can I get this to be, you know, without breaking anything? And I think that's there. Man, any type of small thread work, I am not a fan of doing at all. What size do you think that is? A 10? Little small 10 mil. Yeah. Right? Yeah, that's as tight as it goes. That's it. Yeah, just making sure. Don't want to mess anything up. And let's go ahead and install it back again. I think it's like, how do you know when it's tight, you know? How do you know it's not gonna leak out of there? One more thread? Can it do one more turn? I don't know. I don't like this. I don't like this one bit. I don't know. It's probably fine. I have no idea. It's probably fine.
Better, cleaner. So you'll put one there, one here to keep it in place.
I did nothing that was like that. I'm telling you. I didn't fuck this up. I didn't fuck it up.
Well, guys, I recorded this in my channel. I'm gonna fill you guys in what's going on. I'm underneath this engine, I'm underneath this vehicle, and I discovered that the whole engine, everything shifted over. It was leaned towards the driver's side, so the shifter, instead of it sitting straight, it was sitting in a slant. I had to loosen the motor mounts, jack it up, and straighten it back out. The driver says, I didn't do it. It wasn't me. Nobody else drives this car but him. So maybe the ghost came out at night and drove the car, took it for a joyride or something. Someone did this.
Megatron.
Maybe this is a secret Transformers vehicle and it goes out at night and drives around and it's fucked up because of it.
Guys, whatever you do, don't let void cars drive your car.
Wait. Right now he's driving my 370Z.
Oh.
Damn. Wait until you guys find out what happened to the suspension, the BC coilovers. You guys have to check out that video.
Okay. Hope it. Let's bring it down. There it goes. I was trying to figure out like when is it gonna click. I think this side is. There it goes. Perfect. 18 foot-pounds. That should be perfect for the feed.
What cologne are you wearing? It actually smells good. Can you give me the 17 ratchet? Oh, I have it here. What's up, bro?
Is this the day Void Cars comes back?
Void Cars is coming back to work with us because, you know, he feels guilty that I keep fixing all his fuck-ups. Like I'm fixing this one right here. What you gonna say? Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Come on.
Dude, I spent 6 years in a camp trying to work to pay my debts for you, and this is how you treat me?
That's right. Everything is good underneath this manifold. You got everything you needed.
Yeah.
So basically now it's just install some of the bolts so it holds it in place.
I'm assuming it's these. Has to be.
Let's try it. There we go. It's holding it.
Looks better a little bit than it was.
Now, this is what I suggest. This is on. Give me the last bolt. Okay. So yeah, we're upgrading the pump, and the reason why you want to do that is because simply, we're going to be pushing a massive amount of air into the engine. We're going to need more fuel. So we want to not lean out this vehicle, so we have the bigger injectors, 640, okay? It's going to be spraying more, but you need to upgrade the pump as well so it could deliver more fuel to those fuel injectors.
Hey, at least it's water.
Isn't that a Plan B pill? Dang, you drinking that old water?
Alright guys, I think the fuel pump is in here. Honestly, I don't even know. I'm just taking this off and just hoping and praying that the fuel pump is in here. What do you guys think? You think this is a good spot to hide a fuel pump? And yeah, just like that, we have access to the fuel. Hey, it's gonna start smelling like fuel. Just letting you know. Let's go. Tell me this is in a 90s fuel pump. Alright guys, here is the whole stock unit. Let me tell you guys, this is pretty crusty. Even though this is all old, it still works really good. Works better than my 2005 G35, and then this is from a 1999.
My finger's stuck in here. I'm stuck yan here. I'm yan here.
But I got stuck yondin. I'm stuck yondin.
We got the fuel pump already assembled, ready to go. Left, right, XAAA. Just like that, guys. Fuel pump is in. Everything is ready to go. Now I just got to put the cover back in. And yeah, she's done. My downpipe, bro, my downpipe.
This is gonna sit something like this, right in here, and I'm gonna use the existing hangers. All right, so basically I'm just using the straight edge. I have it in the back of the flange, touching the flange. And now I'm using it just to mark exactly where I want the cut to be for this exhaust. So basically, this is where it needs to go, and it needs to be in that angle, because it needs to go and maneuver its way. The exhaust has to go in between the motor mount and this hose back here. That's for the coolant. So. Ready? Yep.